flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 2 p.m. At 10:56 a.m., thunderstorms producing heavy rain have exited the warned area. 5 to 8 inches of rain has fallen and only minor additional amounts are expected through midday. Flash flooding will continue through early afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Waconda, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Island Lake, Long Grove, Park City, and Wonder Lake. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 18. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 18. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.